are you running? Who's after you?
Nobody.
What is it now?
That fell on the mountain.
What is it?
Sister, as I'm talking to you, Osita is at the police station.
Osita, my own Osita. What happened?
Sister, I don't know.
Talk now!
They caught him with 3 other boys, sister. They said he was stealing from the headmaster's office.
Hey! My own Osita. Stealing, how? Hey!
Sister, you need to rush. You go and confirm.
Stop it! Osita! Hey! Osita!
Young lady, what brings you?
Officer, I heard my boyfriend was brought here and 2 other men.
Wait. Your boyfriend is an armed robber?
No, my boyfriend is not an armed robber. No.
What are you saying? The 4 men that were brought to this station today, their record stated that they were caught stealing from the headmaster's house.
Hey, my boyfriend cannot do that. He has never stolen before. Please.
What is his name?
His name is Osita.
Apple.
So, you are among them?
Me? Officer, how can I be among them? I'm here for my boyfriend.
Madam, if you know what is good for you, just carry yourself. When you enter there, carry yourself. Waka. You know what is good for you.
Officer, I beg. Make I see him with my eye. Even if I see him, I beg. Let me just see here. Let me just see him. Let me see my boyfriend.
Let me go and inform you that one of the guests, my friend, is here. Let me see if you know.
This story when you talk, not story. Waka dey go now. Go report. Hey,
I wonder how you put it. I know it. Now my boyfriend, now here I want to see.
Yeah, the girlfriend of a boyfriend that is a thief. He's also a thief.
No, I'm
still there.
Sorry, I'm not the thief.
You see person get. Come on, shut up fast, slap you. See person get to open mouth talk. Maybe you do fast. Ma hear your mouth say again.
Where is the girl? Idiot.
So, how did it go?
Uncle, I'm back now. I went to the man. The man told me that the DPO said that they are going to go to court tomorrow. And from court, they'll go straight to prison.
Hey! Did he say there is nothing he can do?
He said I should bring 200,000 naira so he can shut many mouths.
Hey. Well, I know he's capable of handling it. I know.
Uncle, that's why I'm here. I came here to know if you can help me.
Right.
I have only 100,000 naira in my account. And I need extra 100,000, making it 200,000 naira. I want you to please borrow me money, borrow me 100,000.
Sheshe. Penny, kobo, I don't have for a criminal. In Aniwa, I said shishi, penny, kobo, I don't have for a criminal. In Ania, I have other useful things to do with my money. My dear, God is God. I can't go for a criminal, oh, please.
Tom.
You're standing in for a criminal.
Uncle, please. Uncle, please, you have to help me. Help me, Uncle, please. Please. Help me bail Osita because
See, I can't involve myself in such case. I can't. The case is too much. A criminal case at that. God forbid.
Uncle, because I know, but please, because help me, because please.
See. The case is too much. The case is too much. They had guns and other ammunitions with them. Guns with other ammunitions. They invaded the headmaster's house and loot the computer the government gave to us. for our secondary school. They loot all of them. They took them. Please, I can't involve myself. Oh. Ha.
Uncle, are you trying to say that he cannot be granted bail?
Well, my dear, I wouldn't say such. But I can't go for a criminal bail bond. I even wonder what you're doing with him in the first place. I wonder.
Please help me. I know my Osita is not a robber. Osita is not a man robber. There must be a mix-up somewhere. He did not do this. So, Uncle, please, you have to help me because
Then go to the police and tell them that. Go and tell them.
I've gone there. Nobody wants to listen to me. Nobody. I've gone there because maybe because you're a man, they can listen to you because you're an uncle. You have to help me because please, you have to help me for the sake of Osita. Just do it for me because.
See, as for me, there is nothing I can do. That is the truth. God is God. And but there's only one man that can help you in this entire village. He works hand in hand with the police. His name is Ozo Mekanai. That is his name.
Uncle, where can I meet this man? Where can I meet this man, Uncle?
Don't worry yourself. God is God. I'll tell you. Sit down.
There is no other person that I can run to. Please. They say it's only you that can solve this problem for me. Please, help me because
I am ready to help you. Very, very ready. But this your case. This case is a very extreme one, a very hard one indeed. It's a criminal case.
I know.
And as it stands now, DPO told me that by tomorrow, he's taking those boys to court.
Hey.
And you know what that means? That could be straight to jail.
I know. Uncle, please. Because help me. Because oh.
How do I help you now? It's okay. You know those boys were caught red-handed with all evidence.
I know, but they said with you that it is possible that they will be released.
Everything is possible as it stands, but we need money.
Hey.
We need a lot of money.
Hey.
So many mouths need to be shut on this. Like some personalities that we need to see. We need to see. To settle before we can bear them. So now, get money. We need money.
Okay, fine. How much are we talking about?
200,000.
200 guinea.
Just that.
Uncle, 200,000 naira. Where do you expect me to get that kind of money from?
200,000 naira is not a big money.
It's big money, it's very big.
If you can't get 200,000, you expect me to use my hand. Forget your friend, you know.
Hey, Uncle, I cannot forget him. He's somebody's son. Okay, fine. Uncle, I can run around. I can raise 100,000 naira. I will bring it for you.
100,000 naira?
Eh. Pico.
But 100,000 naira is small. How do I run this?
It's not small. 100,000 it's not small.
You stop this. But if you say I should do with 100,000 naira, I will see what I can do.
Hey, thank
I
you.
will help you.
Hey, thank you very much, Uncle.
I'm very ready to help you, but there is a little thing you will do for me. That means...
Little thing? Okay, what is it?
You will stay with me for 3 days. I need to have a test of you.
Chineke, don't even complete it, Uncle. Don't complete that thing.
Just to sleep with you for
Why
3 days.
Why will you sleep with me? Why will you sleep with me? I don't understand. Because of what?
What is hard in this?
Uncle, God forbid, I will not do it. Sleep with you for Guinea Kwano.
But if it's that boy now, you will open it. It's a hair.
Okay, fine, Uncle. I'm not shouting. Uncle, no problem. She says 200,000. I'll run around. I'll get the 200,000.
I thought you want to.
Sleeping with you.
Or if you can get 200,000, go get it.
Yeah, I'll get it.
Money answer it all things. Go, I need money.
I will get it.
To run it.
200,000. Thank you.
Let me see what I can do.
Let us see. I'll give you the 200,000. You know how I you can. No. Thank you. But I didn't go well at all. It didn't go well at all. Please, my sister. You have money you're not using. I need 100,000 naira, please. Just give me 100,000 naira. If I didn't bring 100,000 naira, they are going to take Osita to court and from court to prison. Please, if you have, give your sister the corner.
Prison yard?
They are going to take him to prison if I didn't get the money.
Sister, stop crying, please. Oh, I will give you the money. Just that the money I have is not enough.
I hate it. How much are we talking about? How much do you have?
7,000 naira.
Which one is 7,000 naira? Okay, sorry. Sorry. Even you.
Sister, what are you trying to say? That 7,000 naira is not money. Eh? Don't you know that if you add 7,000 naira to the figure, it will reduce to 93,000?
Go and bring it. You're right. Go and bring it.
Let me go and get it.
Thank you.
Sister. See the money.
Hey. Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Mana, sister. Sister. Biko, I beg you with God's name. You will give me back this money.
I know, I'm going to pay you back. I know you're not dashing me the money. I'll pay you back, don't worry.
Hey, go stop crying. It will be fine.
Where will I get 90-something thousand naira to make it up? Where will I get that kind of money? Hey,
I think I have an idea.
Hey. Oh, you spill it out now. What's the idea?
You said you wanted to see me, mother.
Yes, Uncle.
What is it?
Yes, Uncle. I was actually going to your house, but since we are here, no problem. Uncle, it's my mother. My mother has been hospitalized. And the doctor said we should bring 300,000 naira for surgery. I have 200,000 naira. It's remaining 100,000 naira. So I came for you to help me. I'm here so that you can help me with 100,000 naira. So I can make it up to 300,000 naira for my mother's surgery. Please, uncle.
Uh-huh.
Hey.
You know, I don't just give out money like that without security. If you want me to give you 100,000 naira, you said it's what you wanted.
Yes.
Do you have collateral for that money?
Yes, I have, Ichie. This is my late father's land. My brother's share, the one that stays in Onitsha, this is his own share of the land. I brought the papers to you, please. Just have it. Oh, if after 6 months I did not pay up the 100,000 naira, you can sell the land. Bikon, just give it to me. It's very, very important. Let me save my mother. Bikon.
Young lady, are you sure of what you're saying?
I'm very, very sure.
If you don't bring this money in 6 months, I will sell off the land.
If I do not bring it,
The money and the interest.
the interest I'll give you.
Let me see your papers. You are sure in 6 months' time you will pay me the money and the interest?
6 months I'll pay you. So I promise. I know.
The interest?
Yes, with the interest. I'll bring it back. I know it's only 6 months.
Okay, let's go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Let me rush and withdraw my life savings before the bank closes. Look at me running helter-skelter to raise money for Osita. I hope he will not leave me to marry another woman. After all these things I've done for him, what I will not even do for my own blood brother is what I am doing for him. Love is very strange, Joe. God, please help me. I don't want anything to happen to my Osita. Uncle, I've brought the complete money.
The money is here.
Yes, complete.
Are you sure
It's complete. I wait for me 1 naira.
Let's go now. But just because I ask you to sleep with me, is that the reason why you are able to get money now?
Uncle, please now, don't start this all over again. You said 200,000 naira. I've brought 200,000 naira. Leave the sleeping part. We can talk about it later. Let's go.
It's very important. We need to talk about it.
Uncle.
Before I will get him released, you will make me a promise that you must give me that thing.
Okay, no problem. Let's go first. Time, there's no time.
You will give it to me, right?
Uncle, no time. Because
you can't go with me. Go with me to where?
Why now? Why can't I join you?
Do you know where I'm going? I have so many people to see. And you can't go to the places I'm going. So you can go now and rest. I will see about
I should go.
Yes.
Hey.
You'll be free.
You mean I should go?
You can go.
You'll be released.
But there is a thing I want to ask you.
What is it?
What is special about that criminal, that boy? That what you open for him, you cannot give me little, just little.
Hey, Uncle, there's nothing special about him. But please, release him for me.
Just go and rest.
Okay, sir.
I'll see what I
Thank
can
you very much. So he'll be released, right? Thank you very much, sir.
We're happy now.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you, Uncle.
He will come.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Or
Thank you.
You must give me that.
Yes, we'll talk about it. Thank you, sir. Thank you. God bless you.
You can go.
Sister, how did it go? I don't know. The only thing is that After giving him the papers, he went through it. He said the papers, they are complete. And he gave me the money. From there, yes, I ran straight to Ozo's place. I handed over the whole money to him.
So what did Ozo say?
Ozo told me that Osita will be released.
Hi! This God is a great God. I said it.
Please let me hear. Let me hear. Is it not too early? I just gave you money, say Osita will be released. Is it not too early?
Sister, what are you even saying? Eh? Are you saying that Ozo will not fulfill his promise?
I don't know. The only thing I know is that I want to see my Osita with my naked eyes. So I want to make sure he's released. He's not thanking God, he's the thing. Let me make sure that Osita is not going to jail. That's my problem. I don't want him to go to jail. No.
We still have hope. Eh? Just have hope, Kwano. Stop crying. Eh?
Go outside, go sit down. Sherlock, you come here where you come to. You don't pick your clothes where?
Sorry, it's not my clothes.
Come on, shut up your mouth.
You still don't have to talk.
Are you hear this one?
Yeah.
You know that this should let the TV pan too. Oga, go that side go dey wear your clothes. Stand up.
Don't see face. Officer, assistant, please. See, you should go and thank that your girlfriend. If not for her, you would have rot in jail. Just like your friends. Don't thank me. I don't need your thanks. All I need from you is to change. Change for good.
No, may not change. What if again?
Don't thank me. I don't need that. Let us go. Just go. Let's go before you commit another one.
Don't worry now. Next one now, I need to shoot your leg.
That people come here yesterday night. You don't lose them. I don't see how to say.
Yes, you don't listen.
Yeah.
Sister! 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 Sister Rosta is back! Sister! Rosta! Where is Osita?
Oh God, hope you're okay. Hope they didn't beat you. Hope you're fine. Hope you're okay. Come in, I know you're tired. Come in. Sister, welcome. I gotta go and bring water. Go and bring water. Hope you're fine.
Now you see yourself blaming your friend Kambili over the same thing you did for the one you love.
No. Can't you see her own is too much? She has really suffered for that boy.
She's in love. Kambili is in love, just the same way you are. So please, don't blame her.
No, Sita, I'm not blaming her. I only pity her, what she's going through.
Well, this is not time for pity. All you have to do for your friend is to help her right now that she needs your help. That's all.
Hey, that's exactly what I'm doing right now. That's what I'm doing.
My love is dying. I'm about to go where the right. This is matter of life or death. My love is
So this guy has taken this thing to the internet. You they see waiting and they see.
Hi. Well, it must have really gotten worse for him.
Jamike, come and see your sister boyfriend.
Hey!
All of the way bad guy.
Hi.
10 million naira. So it has got to this extent. God!
Guy, this thing a scam. This is a scam, bro. A yahoo. Also.
But it's your girlfriend's name that is attached to the video. See that in the comment section now.
I don't understand.
Alice Obiekwe, that's your sister's, that's your girlfriend's name now. And account number at the microfinance bank.
But she never mentioned this to me. Bro, this thing na format, guy. Na format. They just the workers, guy. Come now.
What is wrong with you? Why do you keep doubting all the time? Yeah? Who in this village doesn't know the situation? That Izuna's health is terribly bad. Okay, now look at the comment section there. Is it not the medical lab result that is attached to it?
Now forget that thing.
Huh? You keep doubting all the time.
Huh? One. Ana alo ya alo na Enugu. Alo le fa alo guy. But the one that is paining me the most is that my own babe, my own girlfriend, did not even inform me or even tell me anything about this. God, at least.
And people are really falling for this story. People are falling for their story already. God, my own sister will always put me to shame. Gosh!
Jamike, how many times did I call you? Why can't you let your sister be just for once? Yeah? Can be gobbling there every all the time. Can just tell what happened? Give me here.
You think I would have cared if she wasn't my twin sister? Just look at it. My name will still be dragged into this. Our family's name is at stake.
See, guy, Mona no just change this topic at all. Mona no try am. I no change the topic. The one where they vex me be say, my woman did not even involve me on this.
Okay. What is wrong with both of you? No, just answer me. What? I'm asking myself right now. What am I doing here?
Alice is up.
Yeah? What's wrong with both of you? The same money you are clamoring for is the same money when she came here to ask for her sister, you never gave her. And now, all of a sudden, you are not interested in the money.
So, because I did not render assistance, so she should go about the internet scamming people, right? Guess is that what you are implying? Well, we've seen it. Nothing warrants her demanding for 10 million naira. And both of us know who is behind this.
Alice is up to something.
To confirm.
There is something fishy. Something like fish is smelling. Alice. Ha! God. See what? Yahoo.
Hey! Surprisingly, people have started generating lots of concern based on Izuna's issue, and they are making good donations already. Yes, sir.
Thanking you, God. Oh, thanking you. Because thanking them for me.
Yes, that is what I'm doing. I've been replying their messages. I've been thanking them. I'm so happy. Wow.
So, really? When we really going to hospital?
When we have the full initial payment, we'll go to hospital. With the look of things, by weekend, we'll make like 2 million naira. Yes. You're responding.
Hey, God will bless you for me, Alicia. You suggestion this thing, if it's working out, I will forever appreciate you as friendship.
You like this? Have you forgotten you're my friend, my childhood friend? This is the least I can do now.
Chineke! Alice! You don't know how happiness is doing me.
I know.
When I'm thinking I'm having no hope, when I'm thinking I'm having no money to treat in Izuna, God will give you this sense. Alice. Oh, because
God will do it for us. God will do it for us. By weekend, we will have 2 million naira. Hey! We will rush to the hospital. It's like me. Hey! Alice! I am. I'm doing that. It's not thank you. It's thank you.
How can a landlord's daughter say she got pregnant by accident?
That one. Don't mind her. Maybe she was expecting plasma TV when she was doing it.
I'm suspecting that they are new tenants.
You mean the copper?
Yes. And I draw that boy, ma. That boy.
Biko, let me go and take my food before it gets burnt. I'm coming. Why are you going through my phone?
Alice. Alice, how did you get all this money in your bank account?
It's not my money.
Those are series of credit alerts in your account. How did you get them?
But I just told you that the money is not mine.
The figure I saw in your account is almost 2 million. Alice, in God's name, who deposited all this money in your account?
Since you want to know. You know Kambili now. Kambili, my very good friend, you know her. I helped her to make a public request for Izuna's treatment. Kambili, she doesn't have bank account. Izuna has, but due to his health conditions, he cannot go to the bank to withdraw. So, my account was used in collecting donation from the general public.
Your account was used in collecting donations. Alice, you never mentioned all this to me. Why?
I was still going to tell you when we have finally raised the money for the medical treatment.
Alice, I know you too well. You are too secretive when it comes to money. Yes.
I said I was still going to tell you. Fine, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
If you can go this length in raising funds without letting me know, that means you are up to something. You have plans, Alice.
Osita, come on now. It hasn't gotten to this. What plan are you talking about?
Time.
Are you serious? Kambili must hear this. The money is complete. I'm going right away to tell Kambili the good news.
Why can't you serve my food before you leave?
I'm sorry, my darling. The food is done. Please, can you help yourself? Help yourself in the kitchen. I want to go and take Kambili the good news. I'm coming.
Doctor, how is he does now?
Well, I can't believe we have stabilized him and we're just waiting for the oncology so we can commence proper cancer treatment on him.
But why is it taking him so much time to arrive now?
Well, that is because I didn't give him any prior notice. And besides, I haven't made payment to him.
Doctor, why does you not make payment? No.
That's because I've not received any alert. And your friend here said she's made the payments to my account.
Yes, actually I did though. But I don't know what's wrong with my bank. They've been having network issues since 35 minutes ago.
Well, I would advise you rush down to the bank and make a withdrawal. Because if the oncologist arrives here and we don't make payment, he won't start any treatment.
Alice, Mama, wake up. Goes to bank, withdraw our money. Or I come in with you.
No, you don't have to come with me. Stay back in case Izuna needs anything. Oh,
I'm coming. I'm coming. Take care of him.
Okay, just let me
Nurse, my friend, the payment money.
I was about asking you that because we've not seen her since morning.
Hey, I'm trying her number in my phone is switching off. Nurse, please, helping me using your phone trying number.
Okay. Yeah.
Nurse, I'm not knowing how to using your own. No. I'm giving you the number.
Camille, what's going on?
Doctor. Nurse, it's not going on.
Camille, what's going on? What's all this? I thought you said you had the money. Look, it's been over 5 hours and this is almost 10 p.m. What's going on?
Doctor, we having the money, my friend the withdrawal it.
Look, Camille, it's been over 5 hours now and it's almost 10 p.m. So what are you saying?
Doctor, I trying her phone, it's switching off.
Oh, you guys wanted to play on my intelligence, right? And look how you ended up embarrassing me after I invited my senior colleague from the city. Oh, you thought you could deceive me into starting the treatment.
Dr. Makachi, we having 2 million plus, so my friend Alice withdrawal it because patiently exercise.
Look, the best I can do is just for tonight. If by tomorrow morning I don't get the money, I'm going to discharge the patient and kick him out. Nurse, please take care of the patients in Ward 1.
Good morning. Welcome. Sorry I disturbed you. What of your sister Alice? Hey. Alice left us at the hospital yesterday and not coming back. Hey. I should be asking you that. I was even planning on coming to the hospital this morning because she did not come back last night.
Hey!
Yes. And she told us she was going with you to the hospital. Chinekeme, Alice left us at the hospital and did not coming back. How is it possible? Chinekeme, Mama. Good morning.
Mom, God bless you. How are you? I'm surprised to see you this early. Eh? How is Izuna's body?
Mama, we still run around to payment the money,
But Alice told me that people have gathered money for the treatment.
Mama, I come in for that reason, Alice is going to bank since yesterday to withdraw our money. We're not seeing her till now. Mama, since yesterday Alice goes to withdraw our money, she's not coming back till now.
How can she go to the bank to withdraw money and she didn't return back to the hospital?
Hey!
Huh?
Even him.
Yeah? Mama. Agatha.
Mama.
Where is the sister?
Mama, I don't know.
Hey! What do you mean don't know?
Hey! Chinekeme. And they cannot return his now without payment being completed. Hey.
Agatha.
Mama.
How can Alice do this?
Mama,
Alice cannot do such a thing now.
I remembered something.
What is it?
Sister Alice told me that she will be visiting her friend Osita. So I suggest we should check her there.
Is she mad?
Let's go in there now.
Is she mad? How can she go to a star's place and sleep over there? That they don't she have shame again?
Can you get back? Oh, can you get back?
Take her there. Take her there. Hey! Children of these days, they are something else. Eh? They make and they are Nazareth. Acting as if they had no home training at all. She is lucky my husband is no more alive. Because if my husband were to be alive, she dare not. But let her know why. Until she comes back to this house, I will deal with her. I'll wait for her. She will come back and meet me.
Brother C.
Yeah, how are you? Did your sister inform you?
Inform me.
Oh, I thought she did.
About what? Brother Osita, please, is she here? We have been looking for her since, and we have been trying to reach her. Her number is not going.
Are you really asking me? You're asking me that?
Biko, we are in the serious. Okay. Oh, we looking her since yesterday. We're not to seeing her. Because you saw her.
It was that same yesterday. I came back home and I found out that Alice picked up her few belongings and absconded.
Absconded?
She ran away. She just ran.
Hey, Alice is running.
Kambili, please. She wrote letter for you. She left letter for you in the house. She kept.
Hey.
She wrote a letter for you. Kambili.
I want more.
She wrote a letter for you.
Alice Bobo! Alice Bobo! Alice Bobo! Hey! Where are you going? Who is helping me? Who is helping me? Hey! Alice Bobo! Alice Bobo!
How much you go weather? This is matter of life or death. My love is dying. No matter how much you go down, this is matter of life and death. My love is dying. No my love is dying now. How about you go weather? This is matter of life or death. My love is dying.
Mama, Biko, please now.
Alice has brought shame and disgrace upon this household. Alice, why? Why, Alice, what have I not done for you? Where have I gone wrong as a mother? I tried my best. I gave you people all I could ever have. I made sure she went to the best school.
Mama.
Where did I go? Maybe I didn't do enough. Yes.
Mama, you did your best for us. Eh? You did. Picon, I am begging you, stop crying.
I did not do enough. If I had done enough, would my daughter turn out like this? Is this quickness or what? How could she? How could she be this heartless? How could she make away with the money of a friend that is meant to save her life?
Mama.
What kind of heart is that?
Mama, I understand how you feel. I do.
Listen, Mugo. Listen, Mugo. What time do I face people?
Mama, no.
Hi!
Do not take responsibility of what she did. Sister Alice is no longer a child. So she will face all the consequences of her actions someday. Pikun, just know this, Mama. Pikun.
Mouths are wagging already. People have started talking. Women are condemning me already. They said I didn't do enough. They said I didn't bring help. Well, then I trained a team. And you asked me not to cry. After everything I did.
Mama.
You asked me not to cry. Why won't I cry? I will at least do this to me. And away with the money. I'm about to get away with the money.
You are a good mother. Please now, Makarogi, your health.
I have failed as a mother.
It's not true.
I have failed as a mother. Hey.
I'm busy now. Oh.
Why will I not cry? See what my daughter did. You asked me not to cry.
Mama, I promise I will always be here for you. I promise you that. Pikon.
No. You don't have to stay here with me. Just go and stay with Kamili. I can imagine what the poor girl is going through. Please. When you get there, tell her I said I am sorry. I am sorry that I never did this with you what she did to her. That you please forgive me. That I'm not in support of what Alice did. Then I'm not in support of what Alice did to her. Then how would I be in support of a thief, irrespective of who committed the crime? Be it my daughter or whoever. A thief is a thief.
I will.
Please forgive me.
I will.
Lord, I am sorry, it's my fault.
To go, I will. Stop crying. Stop crying. Pikon. Oh, please.
Hi, Alice.
Mama, Makarogi now.
I heard what happened. Who could have thought that Alice Obiekwe, your very good friend, could do such to you? Has it not dawned on you yet that you are surrounded by toxic people who do not care about you? Your life can only get better when you realize that it is better to be alone than to chase people who do not care about you. Can't believe you have lost everything. Your savings, your shop, your time and efforts are all in vain. Now that Alice is no more, it's time you left Izuna. Rap Izuna. Leave Izuna and come back home, Kambele. I am willing to offer you a better life. Send you back to school. But the choice is yours to make. So you either continue to wallow in abject poverty and this sufferness. I repeat, the choice is yours to make. Else, I will leave you to live your life, Kambele.
Is it a crime to love? Why must my own be different, Chimo? This life is unfair to me.
So that nothing will happen to him.
The doctor has ascertained Izuna fit enough to travel. Please, take my card. Feel free to call me anytime. He will be at the Lagos State University Teaching Hospital till his travel date, okay?
Madam, thank you. Thank you. When is Una abroad traveling come?
Oh, you mean on the 26th? 6 days from now.
6 days?
Yes.
If I came Lagos, saw him before his own flighting abroad.
No problem. Just call me. I will instruct one of my aides to make adequate preparations for you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.